what I do is just like you know, you know what I mean? Like,
Yo, what's going on? Just gonna do a quick show you how to make a carpet mountain in your house for wintertime. Super easy. Just keep old boxes, like there's 6 kitty boxes up there, litter boxes, right there. Get yourself some carpet, that's all you're gonna need. You can go to the carpet shop and ask them if they have scraps. That's where I got this gray stuff from. It's just left over, and this carpet here is the house's carpet. I found it under the stairs in the basement from when they did the carpet 20 years ago. So, and this is what it looks like underneath. So you just take stuff like this, and you can literally see, you can get whatever shape you like really quickly. Anything. You take out that box, boom, you got different terrain instantly. Then you just take your screws, driver, and pin it. Really simple. So I added that little thing today up there. I've changed right up in here as well. I didn't like how it was running, so it's a little steeper, little cross section right there. Super easy. And then this entrance I didn't like, the C10. It's insanely light. And I got high racks on it right now, but I'm thinking about putting the Wranglers back on it because they seem to perform better on this terrain, believe it or not. And now I'm just trying to adjust the front here. Like, do I want a big steep part? Like, wouldn't mind a little like crawling valley up in here a little bit, you know, something unique and interesting. Still got that steep line right there. It's pretty tough. I think it's going to be even worse right now. So only the high performance vehicles are going to get up there. The C10 will have no chance. And then there's this really steep line right here. So I'm debating if I want little ripples in it that are really going to test the vehicle and its traction, or if I want to make it more simple. So it's kind of a toss-up right now, but all you need is just old boxes, anything to filler. So there's a table like right there. There's a foosball table back there. There's a computer desk under here. And then the rest is just boxes piled up. Got them all from Costco and the stuff I buy from there. You know, easy. Super easy to do. The most expensive thing is going to be your carpet. And you can get that at most places. You can even use old carpet because you're not going to be laying on it, right? So if you're doing a mod or renovation or whatever, if you got houses that you switch out, save the carpet. It's really handy stuff. Super fun to drive on. Like, it's probably way more fun than rock. Actually, I can say that right now. It is way more fun than rock. I've driven them both. And this is what I prefer. Your vehicle doesn't break when it rolls down the hill either, which is really freaking nice. And it's great fun for anyone, really. If you're looking for an awesome indoor course, in my opinion, this is the best you could possibly have. Super fun. Super easy to mod, switch out. Like, it's taken me maybe 20-30 minutes to flip this out. You just undo it. You can literally rip it out, and then from the back side here, you just grab the screw and pin it out. But if you try to find the screw with this, it's so hard to find in the carpet, right? Like, there's screws all over here. I think there's one up in here somewhere. It's really hard to see. It's like right there. So trying to get the head of the screw or the driver on there to pull it out, brutal hard. But if you just rip it out, easy, then you can unscrew it from the back. Use a pair of gloves. Keeps your hands from drying out because the carpet will just zap all your moisture. But this has got to be the coolest. And if you get yourself some tapestries or shower curtains, depending on what you're looking for, like those are shower curtains. You can see the rings at the top. Cheap, super cheap. You get tapestries even bigger. I find that they're actually really good images for really cheap on Amazon right now. And yeah, you can give your freaking room some aesthetic that it normally wouldn't have. Normally you'd be looking at that and it's really boring, gets drab really quickly. But yeah, simple. If you don't like the bump there, pull that out and it drops down. Get a steeper angle. Super simple stuff. Anyway, make yourself a carpet mountain. As far as I know, there's only one. Make 2, 3. Roomie downstairs just moved out, so I got a whole suite down there, whole living room. I can make more, so now I gotta get more carpet and more boxes, and I can make another sweet course down there. Anyway, later.
Peace.